some impulses, some things which will make you think, introspect, and remember. The recall for what you've learned is very important, and I see to it that we give you certain impulses. So now, all of you are going to see three objects. Okay. As Rucha had already told me, I have not started recording.
I started recording.
Okay, you started recording. Because I get so excited looking at people and my session, I generally forget. But this time I wanted to record. So she said, Ma, you have to record. Anyway, thank you so much. So I'm going to show you three objects. Okay. Okay, so there was coffee powder, there was potato, and there was an egg. So all of them are in raw condition right now. When they are exposed to a boiling water pot, hot boiling water pot, for around 20 minutes separately, not together, they will change, right? We generally ask, but then we don't have time to interact today. So they will change. The potato, which is hard outside, will become soft. The egg, apart from the shell, which is semi-solid, will become hard-boiled. And coffee, which is not mixed with water yet, so it's solid format, when mixed with hot water will become actually a decoction, and all of them will be actually useful the way it should be used, right? Similarly, our lives are going on, whatever is going on right now outside in the environment, the challenges are there, right? Like the boiling water pot. But everybody has different challenges, like potato, like egg, and like coffee powder. So metaphorically, if I have to explain you, the potato, which is solid or hard, is an indication or a metaphor for all those people who've been really hard on themselves. They have been saying, I couldn't do this for you. I was not enough. I have not done justice to whatever qualities I had. I couldn't make all of them happy. I tried my level best, but this never happened. I'm incapable. And they're harsh to themselves. They keep blaming themselves. For them, we need to tell them, go soft on yourself. They need to get soft on themselves, right? All those people who are like egg, or sometimes when we are into that mind state, they are those people who are like, मेरे साथ ही हमेशा ऐसे क्यों होता है? Why everybody is doing things only to me? Why are they mean to me? Right? We do this. We get into that victim mentality. Sometimes or many times. Now it all depends on what emotional mind state you choose to be in most of the time. And there are people who are like coffee powder, who don't want to get out of their comfort zone. The moment they get mixed with that boiling water, they suddenly become a decoction, a fragrant decoction, which everybody wants to drink. But they keep thinking, करूँ ना, मेरे बस की तो बात है ही नहीं, तुम्हारे लिए तो ठीक है, you can do it, you have this advantage, you have time, you have this body type. We all do this. Many a times, one of them is dominant in us, but most of us, we keep shifting from one state to the other state. And this particular workshop, Excel Influencing, is going to make you aware. It will create that kind of a ring in your mind. Hey, you are in this potato mode. You are in this egg mode. You are in this coffee mode. Get out of it. And suddenly you will start realizing that so much of energy is there which you have not used because you chose to be in one of this mental state or emotional state, right? Now, before we go ahead, I just want to tell you give you one more example, which is a metaphoric example. The butta, the corn, which we generally buy, if we just take it in a raw form, it's available for 7, 8 rupees, 10 rupees. Somebody decides to roast it, right? And he applies lemon to it and he gives you. And the rate is 20 to 25 rupees for that butta. And then somebody decides that he will boil them, he will put little butter on them, put little lemon on it, put little spice on it, pack it in good, pack and present it to you. And suddenly it costs around 75 to 100 rupees and you do buy, right? So that means the same corn, when it goes under different treatments, it becomes more valuable. So the biggest favor that we can do to ourselves is not buy that gookie. I mean, you can do that, all the branded things that you love to buy, you can do that. But the biggest favor that you're going to do to yourself is by investing in yourself. And Excel Influencing is an excellent opportunity to do that. For me, it is actually that. Rucha, there are some people waiting in the waiting room. Can you please keep admitting them? I'm sorry.
I'm doing it.
Yeah. So Excel Influencing is actually that formula book. I'm not exaggerating. That formula book, which is going to be for your lifetime. Any problem, any challenge in health, in relationship, in your mental state, in your emotional state, in your professional success, any challenge, I'm not exaggerating. Those people who know me. You will have one formula there, you will have one tool there with which you will be able to address that problem. And that's my promise. So right now, I'm declaring to all of you, once you enroll for Excel Influencing, the details I'll tell you, and you pay whatever amount. After the session is done, all the 20 sessions over 20 days are done. You can just give me in writing that I didn't get the value that I paid for. No questions asked. The entire money will be given to you. And that's my promise. I can make that promise because I am 200% sure about what I'm delivering. But still, I still give you that guarantee. And I think it's a tall promise to make, but I'm making it because I'm very, very confident about what I have done in this entire course. And this is the 4th batch. We have a few people already there from the earlier batch. So who we have? Bhavna, do we have? Bhavna Ranjan? Okay.
Yeah, I'm there.
Yeah.
I'm
Can you
just
share just 30 seconds or 40 seconds about your experience?
I may request, anyways, chalo, it's your thing. I would have shared, but I would have loved from people first that what they are expecting, and then I would have
No,
shared
that would
have been
anyway
better.
happen, but okay, we'll keep it at last, no problem. So
yeah.
is there anyone else, Rucha, or we can continue? Shailaja is there?
Lata aunty is there.
Lata, can you just spend 30 to 40 seconds to share your experience with the Excel Influencing?
Yes,
What
yes,
happened?
yes.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm Lata Kumar. By profession, I'm an ex-banker and a wellness consultant, and I've had my background in also leadership training, and I've been through a lot of training sessions with a lot of people. And what I found in this particular, where I was able to attend this session of Vasundhara's, what I felt was the content is enormous, no doubt. Okay, And we had a lot of different kind of experience as each of the tool was given to us. We had a lot of experiential training, in a sense, like hands-on experiential, which is what I felt like we could actually experience each tool in our life for our particular purpose. That was what which was unique. And we could sort of gauge the result in our own self, whether it is an internal pain, what we wanted to handle, or a relationship issue. These are some of the things which I felt a little different in Vasundhara's training, and that I felt was high value, according to me. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much for those kind words, because I will anyway keep saying about my session, but when it comes from people who have, attended, and people who are so senior and who have already been successful in their own careers, and she's a very, very well-known wellness coach. And when she found value, I really felt great. And I'm just hoping all of you join and say the same things in the next sessions. So I'll start, continue with the quote. If you need change, you need to take action. If you're not changing, it's again your choice. So today, by coming here, you've already made a choice. I would just request you to see, is there a change required? And if yes, then Excel Influencing is the place where you have to be. It's going to be around 20 sessions, 20 hours, 1 hour each day. That's it. We've kept it at night at 9 to 10. So people who have work from home, who have, no maid nowadays because of lockdown. So you have to work, kids are, having their school and so many things. So you take care of all of that, and 9 to 10 is my time. And after that, immediately I send you the notes so that you can revise next day. There are videos which are shared. And as Lata said, generally NLP, which is neuro-linguistic program, or we're doing much beyond. It's not only neuro-linguistic program tools that I'm sharing, but I'm also sharing a lot of influencing skills, a lot of communication skills. And all of that is absolutely hands-on experience. It's going to be experiential. Certain things will be actually done on a role play. And I was really hesitant that on virtual platform, how are we going to do it? But we actually did. We saw results, and that has made me really happy and confident. And Excel Influencing is very close to my heart for one more reason is, there are a few people who have joined my sessions many times. Nikhat, Santosh Thorat, Bhavna. There are many who are already there, who've been participants. And at end of the session, I always get that wow, and wow, acha tha, and there are a lot of good feedbacks. But I really don't get to see the change. I really don't get to see where they have really applied. And that was, a trainer in me was always not so happy. But here, over the 20 days, I actually saw where they have applied, how it has changed. That has made me a satisfied and happy trainer, I'll say. So there are a lot of things that we cover in these 20 days, 20 sessions. Saturday, Sundays, we don't have, so you can enjoy with your family. And 10,000 is the fees. Today, if you confirm by sending an SMS, you get 1,000 discount. Otherwise, there is no discount from tomorrow onwards. You can pay it till 8th. That's not a problem. So the entire thing that what we cover, it's really, it will be funny, but I really can't point out everything. But grossly, if I have to just tell you what is it that we cover in 3 frameworks. One is what we cover is what is there inside you, right? We don't even know that what we have carried all throughout from our childhood memories, or somebody has said something to me and that has remained. My father told me, don't go on the stage, you don't look good. But that it's been stored in your subconscious mind, and you're not even aware about it, that these things are there. But that actually stops you from performing to that excellent level at which you are actually capable of performing. So basically, we'll be dealing with you first, your self-limiting beliefs, your values, which you think are your strong suits, which you think are your strengths, but sometimes they also stop you from going ahead. One part. And there are surely certain self-limiting beliefs. मैं ये नहीं कर सकती हूँ, मेरे से ये नहीं होता है, and all those things. We actually take care of that with certain tools, certain theories, certain sessions. So basically, when I said when you feel like a victim, all of that will be dealt first. So if I have to tell you again metaphorically, if you have a sprinkler in the garden, the sprinkler has a lot of nozzles, right? And when the water just gushes out of all the nozzles, it looks beautiful, it looks magical, it looks awesome. And that's how our life is supposed to be. But because of all these things that have actually gone in our minds, in our subconscious minds, there are a lot of nozzles in our body which are choked. We don't even know they're choked. But then the water has to flow, so sometimes it makes sound, we get angry, we don't know why we got angry on somebody. It just gushes out, so somebody, we just react in certain way, and it's not giving you that awe effect because the water is not flowing everywhere. So we will ensure that the energy will start flowing from everything that is there in your body so that you achieve what you're supposed to be achieving. You're holding on to yourself. You're holding yourself back actually and not achieving all of that what you're capable of. As few people already know me, everybody perceives I'm a very positive person, a dashing person, somebody who motivates everybody. But let me make a confession. I had my self-limiting beliefs too, and I'm happy that I could come out. Obviously, the session is going to be explaining you, but ultimately you will have to work on it, because we'll create those ripples, but you will have to actually make it work. So I got the session, but then it was there in my mind, and suddenly one day I realized that my self-limiting belief is, and I used to keep telling my daughter, my son, my husband, my close friends, that life has been very unfair to me, because I'm a woman, because I'm the eldest daughter, certain things were asked to do. And that's the reason, I couldn't do this. I lost my time, all these things. And suddenly I realized this is stopping me from achieving what I actually am capable of. And I replaced that belief with the new belief that my potential, my energy is much beyond all this. And you will not believe, I've really started seeing a lot of magical results, which I had not seen earlier. One of the example is I could never run. I think that I will anyway explain during the session, but now I can run for 5 to 6 kilometers. I don't even take a second's rest or anything. I keep continuously running, and which is for a person like me is magical, which is a byproduct of what I'm teaching all of you. So you just don't know which area you're going to get magical results in. You just aim for it and you're going to be there. So that's the first part. The second part is going to be, we're going to teach you a lot of tools to deal with all of this. We all know that we are good most of the time, or sometimes when my mood is good, when my emotional state is good, I can do anything on that day. But some days those states are not really as per my requirement, and I don't really perform the way I need to perform. What if I tell you I'm going to share the tools with which just in a fraction of a second you can get into a peaceful state, you can get into a confident state, you can get into a happy state, you can get into an exhilarating state whichever state you want. That's my promise. And those are the kind of tools that I'm going to teach you. And as per my promise, I told you that this session itself is going to be a learning session. So I'm going to teach you one tool today, right now. Just get ready. Fasten your seat belts. Whatever I'm going to teach you right now is sufficient for you to get whatever success you want in life. I'm not exaggerating. You have my phone number. If whatever I tell you now, you do it, and if you don't get results, come to me. I'll give you 10,000 check without even you paying me anything. All ready? Listen to me. There are three things from tomorrow onwards I want all of you to think of. Three things: physiology, focus, and language. What do I mean by that? Physiology is what you do with your body. Okay. So I think I'm tempted to do one role play. So can we have one volunteer here? Can we have one volunteer? Just show me your palm. Anybody who wants to volunteer for just 2 minutes of role play. Quick. Yeah. Hiral. Yeah. Hiral, just hold. Yeah. Just hold on. Okay. Can we have Hiral in spotlight? Yeah, hi Hiral. Yeah. So now, simple. You just have to, stoop your shoulders. Yeah, down. Look down, and make a face when you are absolutely sad. Those kind of facial expressions. Basically, we should see you. Just go up, thoda, just like this. Look at me. Okay. Okay. Now try and think of, with this body language, try and think of something really happy that happened in your life. Okay, we all see you now. Okay, look at me now. Look at me. Now, make a Shah Rukh Khan pose. Okay. Okay. Let's see your pupils also. And now think of something really, really sad that happened in your life. Something really sad that happened in your life. Okay. Okay, we're done. We're done. So tell me, what happened?
That sad part when I was thinking, when I spread my arms and I was thinking about, it didn't go to the first stage what I was in. I was still able to smile about it.
Yes, and in the first role play, even when your body language was sad, when I told you think of a happy moment, there was it was not possible, right? Thank you so much, Hiral. Just yeah, Rucha, can we get back to this? That was nice. So that means there is surely a certain relationship between what your body language is and what your emotional state is. This we're going to do it in details later on. There's a huge science. I did Tony Robbins course, 4 days, 13 hours each day, and all the 4 days covered only this triad, these three principles. So I'm just going to tell you in nutshell, and it will stay with you forever. So that means with this piece of information that you have right now, your emotional state and your physical state are connected, right? So I'll just, yeah, right? So can we use it to our advantage? Whenever I want to feel energetic, can I use my physical energy to pump in that kind of energy? Because I can't otherwise, have a sad feeling if I'm, doing like this, yeah, or get up or walk fast or make that face. I can't feel sad inside. Can I use this to my advantage? So from tomorrow onwards, do something. If you're feeling sad inside, use your physiology to your advantage. It may not be possible that you can start dancing in your office premise or when others are there, but you can always do something with your physiology that you do when you're happy, when you're confident, when you're feeling strong, and suddenly your emotional state will change. And that's this emotional state with which you operate. You are going to be closer to your success each time you do that. That's my promise. And that you also know. Second, please keep it on mute. Yeah. Yeah. Second thing that I spoke about was language. The language that I speak to others, one part, and the language which is going on inside. The chatterbox, the chatter that is going on inside is also the language that I use to instruct myself and my subconscious. What is that language that I'm using? You have no idea. We'll be doing it in the workshop and you will be amazed to see, oh my God. I'll show you right away. In the chat box, everybody please write down one sentence starting from I can't. Whatever. You can say I can't swim. I'm not putting any sentence in you, but I can't, speak German or whatever you want, right? Just write down in chat box, I can't. Quickly. Anything that comes to your mind, quickly. I can't read for a long time. I can't sing. I can't become a good speaker. I can't fly. Okay. I can't drive. I can't believe in everyone. Okay. I can't speak in front of so many people. Okay. I can't swim. Cool. Now, because we don't have much time, now listen to me very carefully. If I ask you to use the same sentence that you stated in the chat box with just one addition, yet. I can't swim yet. I can't be emotionless yet. I can't believe in everyone yet. I can't fly yet. I can't become a good speaker yet. I can't drive yet. I can't sing yet. I can't read for a long time yet. Do you see the change? Suddenly, you're telling yourself, it's possible. I have not done it yet. The moment I do it, it is possible. That only that word yet has changed the entire thing. Now, there are a lot of things and there are a lot of words, preference of words that everyone uses. And you won't even know which is working for you and which is working against you. So this workshop will make you mindful about it. Now, for me, I will share my experience. When I was, seeing one, because that's my profile, I was seeing one session. I think Tony Robbins, they had shown Nick. He is not that Nick who is, having no limbs or no limbs at all. But his name is also Nick, but he's a, wrestler, but he doesn't have two legs and he has only one hand. And he spoke. And he obviously, it was very motivating. And for me, it was like, oh my God, if he can, I can. And that happens. When we see that, that happens. But the last sentence that he used was, whenever you feel irritated with what you're doing, just say it to yourself, I am able to do it. And that sentence was like cut on my brain. Because there are certain things that every day you do, or, there is a limit to which you can do, or even while running, or even while doing certain exercises, you feel, "Arey nahi yaar, kyun mere ko karna hai?" मैं ही क्यों खाना बनाऊं? Why should I only do this? Why I only have to do this? Right? Why every time I only have to clean the house? Those are the things that keep coming on even in my mind. Suddenly, I just changed that to I'm able to. And for me, it was a sea change. I was happy doing everything because I'm able to. There are people who are not able to. So only that able to changed everything for me. So language, what language are you using? And the third one is focus. Where is your focus? Is your focus on problems or is your focus on solutions? Are you looking at being choiceless? Your focus is there, or your focus is on seeing the choices? Is your focus on feeling hurt, or is your focus on being grateful about what God has given you? These are the three things from tomorrow onwards I want all of you to be mindful about and ask yourself from morning to evening, what is my physiology? Is it helping me? Fine. Where is my focus? Is it helping me? What is it that I'm supposed to be focusing on? Is it helping me? Then go ahead. Otherwise, focus on the right thing. And what is the language that I'm using? Is it helping me? These three things enough for you to have miraculous effect and success in your life, and that's my promise. And this tool is just 1/100th of what we teach in Excel influencing, and I am not exaggerating. I'm not exaggerating. So second part was the tools that we teach, and the third is then we teach you how to influence yourself and others. Some people may feel not required. It is required by everybody. You're a student, you're a housewife, you're a teacher, you are a team person, you're a manager, you're a supervisor, you're a VP of a company. Everybody requires influencing skills. We generally even two kids when they're fighting with each other, siblings, they always say इसने बोला तो मम्मी ने सुना, मैंने बोला तो मम्मी ने नहीं सुना. Same thing I said. Even to a boss, your junior will say the same thing I said. He didn't listen to my idea, but he went. वो हमेशा बटर करता है ना, इसके लिए उसका सुनता है. But you may not know. He has some influencing skills which knowingly or unknowingly he's using, and you're not aware about it. So we are going to teach you all those things. How can you connect with people? How can you create that rapport with people? Just by looking into somebody's eyes, you will know what is his preference, his or her preference. Will the life not change? So these are the things that we, teach you in Excel influencing, and whatever right now I spoke is just a trailer. Picture abhi baki hai mere dost, and that's going to be workshop starting from 8th of October, 9 o'clock, and I invite all of you to be part of it. So basically, apart from this, we also, I can just go on and on. We teach you pain management, physical pain management. We've actually taken care of it online. I wish there was somebody who could, share. I had called her, but she has some dinner party at home. So we actually could take, in fact, Rucha,
Yeah.
can you just share? We have only 10 seconds for you. The pain management that we did with NLP.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
I had problem with migraine. So my mom had just learned NLP, so she wanted to try out, like, okay, let's see if even the pain of migraine can be, taken care of. So mom used her NLP techniques, and I was like, this is not going to work. What is this? But I think after some time, I could feel the pain, not there anymore. Literally the next day also, I was like, okay, there's no pain at all. And I think me and Mama, both of us were surprised. Ki, how can this happen? So yeah, it is miraculous. I don't know how it works, but it works.
No,
So yeah, that's
we'll be sharing the theory behind. Apart from that, there is also goal setting. There is also, we also take care of phobias. If you have, there are certain people who have kind of cravings, so even that can be dealt with. So as I told you, there's just a few things that I'm just sharing, but there are a lot of things that we do. Every hour is going to be a dhamakedar packet that I'll be delivering you, and you are going to have a new beginning. So if you just listen to the quote right now, which I'm going to share, and I challenge that actually there is nothing else beyond that. What is there in your hand is the thoughts that you have, you create, the action that you take, or the images that you can create. Beyond this, there is nothing in your hand. Do you all agree to me? So we teach you how to control your thoughts and how to create those thoughts which are going to be helpful to you. We teach you how to create those images so that you can take care of your subconscious mind and use your subconscious mind to your advantage. And thirdly, we teach you how to go about taking that action, the importance of taking action. And I think after, beyond this, there is nothing that anybody is going to teach you or is required to teach you. You are, it's going to be like Brahmasmi. You will realize that there is so much inside, it just has to come out. So I invite all of you for the sessions which are going to start from 8th of October. And please confirm by SMS on my this thing. And if there is any query, please put it in the chat box, or after the session is over, we'll definitely deal with it. And Bhavna, are you still there? No. Okay.
Yes, I'm there.
Would you like to
I have
share
been.
anything? Yeah.
Yeah, now I can share because this is what I wanted, so that all the context is set and at least all the participants have a understanding or a thought that what they are going to learn in the coming 20 days if they are spending their time. So there is a lot to offer, and this you will find that how you can, I will say, tame. Tame is a word I would like to use here, that how you could tame your own thoughts, your own beliefs, your own values, which maybe you find sometimes that they're restricting to your success, they are restricting to your dreams, there are obstacles in your life that I cannot do this, I cannot think like this, how can I? These all beliefs, these all values will get off your mind, of your heart, and you will find a new yourself once you are done with this course. And experiential, yes, it is going to be too much of an experiential, so there is no barrier as such that we are not meeting or we are not seeing each other. There is a style, there is a way to do. We say NLP, it is non-linguistic, and Vasu is very good at using it, and she has really learned it a lot, and she will make all of us, whosoever is attending, without effortless, we can connect to her, and effortlessly we can bring and we can feel the change also. So this is what I wanted to say, and I didn't say it before because you would again get into so many questions that what is happening, what is not happening. So I was patiently listening all those things.
Thank you so much.
Go ahead
This
for
is
the
coming
course, and I
from
would
somebody
encourage.
who is enormously successful in her own life. She's DGM of a company in HR and talent acquisition and HR domain, and wherever she has been working, she has always been the shining star in that company. So somebody of that stature, when finds value, I feel really humble. So there are two questions. Timings are going to be 9 to 10. And it's sharp 9 and sharp 10. how many days? It's going to be 20 days apart from Saturday and Sunday. So it may get over in first week of November, I feel, because we are starting on 8th, no Saturdays, Sundays. And how many people in one batch? Last batch, we were around 12 or 13. So it all depends on how many enrollments. But on virtual session, I think how many should not be a problem. You will get what you want, and every question of yours will be addressed. So that's not a problem at all. If we miss any session, I'm a Hitler, so I don't allow you. And you will miss a session, that means you're going to be actually missing something, because with whatever notes I give you, the kind of understanding you will have it during the session. Now, this entire session that I had right now with you all, if I just send you the notes, you know the difference, right? I will just send you, okay, you know, you have to take care of the language, you have to take care of the focus, and you have to also take care of the physiology. All these three things are important. But the way it has hit you now, or the, I mean, I believe that it will have a better recall tomorrow for this. It will not have only by reading those 3 sentences. Otherwise, we have so much on YouTube and so much on, you just click something and you have 200 links. तुमको ये बुद्धि क्यों चाहिए फिर session देने के लिए? So I will not allow you to miss. But in case if you miss, you can read the notes and you can come back. In case if you have some questions, we can answer them. So with that, the session is over as per my promise. But all those who want to ask question can wait. Otherwise, we're done. Thank you so much for being there. God bless. Have a great weekend. Yeah.
Can I stop recording?
Yeah, you can. Whoever is there, can we just